All right, we are doing this last part of the InDesign FPP project, and I'm going to show you how to save your work. Now, we've always been working in Photoshop, and as you know, we always save as a PSD and as a JPEG, but with InDesign, it's a little bit different. And so I'm going to show you how to save and package your work. Go ahead and go up to File, and you're going to go all the way down to Package. Package is kind of like wrapping up all of your work, putting it in a nice folder, binding it and all that, as opposed to giving me like a loose leaf folder. So you're going to package, you're going to make everything nice and neat. Click Package, Save. It's going to let you change the title. So it's going to be period. So let's go with 1_ FPP _ your last name and then your first name. Where, make sure you're saving it to your desktop, and you want to do the format as an InDesign document. Go ahead and hit save. It's going to say all of these different steps. We're going to hit continue. Where to our desktop, we're going to say package. We're going to hit OK. There's a bunch of steps. We're going to keep saying yes. We're going to say OK, and it's going to be saving. It has now appeared on your desktop. It's going to look like a little folder, and it's going to have a .indd, and that's where your work is now saved. The last thing I want you to do is go over to File, Export, and I want you to export it as an Adobe PDF. So again, we've called it the period number _FPP _ last name first name. Where, you can do it to your folder, you can do it to your desktop, wherever you need to make sure that it's going. Okay, and I want you to save it as an Adobe PDF print and hit save. I've already done it, so I'm going to hit replace because it's the new changes are going to be replacing it. I'm going to hit export. Okay, and so now I have a PDF version, which means a final kind of like a JPEG version. And then I have my InDesign folder, which is kind of like the PSD, where I can go back in and make edits. All right, guys, you are all set. You're ready to now turn in your work.